Hi everyone, welcome to part 4 of my Docker YouTube series. This is GT Code Cafe. Here we have seen like how to create the AWS instance and install Docker inside it and get familiar with the Docker command line interface. Today we are going to see how to create Docker Hub account. Let's get started. In Chrome or any browser, we will search for create Docker Hub account and click on sign up. We will provide a desired username. Provide our email address, enter our desired password, click on agree and confirm that we are not a robot, and click on sign up. Once we sign up, we will get a verification email to our registered email address and we will click verify email address. So it will directly mention like verification successful. Now we will be able to click on sign in. We'll provide our email address and the password, and there you go. We have successfully created our Docker Hub account. Here we will be able to go into explore section and we will be able to see what are all the public images available. So this is the Alpine, NGX, BCBox, Ubuntu, Python, all these images are already available. So if you go into repositories, we will be able to see our repositories, but we have not yet created one. And this is how we create the Docker Hub account. In the next session, we will see like how we will be able to log in into Docker Hub account and create our own image and push the image into Docker Hub. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video if you are not done already.